Welcome back, holiday families. I just wanted to give you another tutorial video, this time on accessing Pearson, which is the math textbook that the district provides. I know in upper elementary we will use it quite a bit. So how we access it. Here we go. You're going to do bit.ly/KCPS Pearson, and I'll put a link to that at the bottom of this video. We're going to go here. If it has the bridge, you're good to go. If it doesn't have the bridge, we need to take a step back and re-enter that shortened URL. So here we're going to type in your username and then your district password. Mine's a little bit different than mine as a teacher is a little bit different than yours as the student. Then we're going to hit sign in. And then we're going to come up to this page and we're going to go here to Pearson Realize. And that's going to bring up a new tab and it's going to take a minute for it to load. Right now, the internet is stretched to its capacity. For most of these sites, they have never experienced this much traffic at once. So a lot of websites are really struggling to keep up, and so we are having to be patient and we're having to be understanding with their struggle. All right, so my website reloaded and here I am to Pearson Realize homepage, and I'm going to come over here to browse, and browse is going to bring up all the different books I have available to me, and then I'm going to select the one that's for my grade level. So I have 4th grade right now, and again, this looks a little bit different just because it's the teacher's edition. And once you come here to topic 1, we're just picking a topic, and then we're going to come to a section, topic 1-1, and then you can select this interactive student edition or just the regular student edition. This will pop up the textbook as it appears in print, but also provide you a chance to work with it and manipulate it. So here is my solve and share, which is the first element of my lesson. And there's usually a prompt that tells you what you need to be working with. And then if I hit next, it's going to show me the next page in the lesson, which illustrates and provides examples of the content that is being taught in this section. And then you're going to come to the guided practice and independent practice. Here's where really the meat of your work is done. And this is typically what's being assigned to you as the student to complete. And once you'll come to, there's a couple of different pages in here of work that might be assigned or might not be assigned, but at least you have access to it. So if you're struggling with the content, definitely continue on and work on some of the other problems. So once we're here and I have my problem pulled up, and here's Jackson has 5 boxes of 3 golf balls. Elsa gives Jackson 2 more boxes of 3 golf balls. How many golf balls did Jackson have all together now? So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab my writing tool, and I am going to make sure it's something that my teacher can see and that I can see easily and will not obstruct the overall view. So Jackson has 5. I'm going to come back and change what I'm using. Jackson has 5 times 3 and 2 times 3. And so that will give him a total of 15 plus 6. Which will give me 21. Now I can take this and turn it into my teacher and be able to answer my question correctly. All right, so once we've done that, we are going to take a, we are, yep, that once we're done with that, we are going to take a screenshot of it. So here is I did my screenshot tool, and I'll be able to upload it to my teacher. If you have any questions, please let us know. We'd be happy to assist in any way that we possibly can. So happy learning.